I applied for the EastWest Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer credit card, but got a different one instead. Hi everyone, Ray here. On this video, we are going to talk about the EastWest Everyday Titanium credit card. Last June, I was looking for a credit card that had a lot of travel perks. So I did my research, and what I found was the EastWest Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer credit card. So yun yung in-applyan ko. I applied through their website. I submitted all the requirements and everything. And then they didn't get back to me immediately. So I had to wait. I thought baka matagal lang talaga yung approval process ni EastWest. And then around siguro 2 months ago, nag-message sila na for delivery na yung card ko. So okay, I was so excited kasi I've been reading some reviews and then they were saying na hirap silang kunin yung card because based on research, getting this credit card is kind of difficult. So ayun, but still I tried. So the first time they tried to deliver, it was a failed delivery kasi sabi my address wasn't updated. Although it's the same address I use on different platforms for delivery, pero hindi daw nila mahanap for some reason. And then I emailed their customer support, tapos pina-check nila yung address na nakalagay, correct naman siya, but so I emailed them and then I told them na if ever the rider or delivery person gets lost, pwede naman niya akong i-contact sa contact number ko. Because that's what I expected, right? Kaya binigay mo yung contact details mo sa kanila para if ever nawala sila, they could call you. But that's not the case when they attempted to deliver my first credit card. So I emailed the customer service, okay naman, they were accommodating, and then they had the credit card delivered again. So it took some time din, siguro after a few weeks, bago ako naka-receive ng call from yung magde-deliver. And then finally, I got it just a few days ago. I got my credit card. I was so excited to open it, but then it wasn't the Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer credit card. Instead, I got the Everyday Titanium credit card. I actually thought I got approved on the credit card I applied for, pero unfortunately, hindi pala. So, ito yon. This is the EastWest Everyday Titanium credit card. And I don't have the option not to activate it because it says here, there's a sticker here on top of the credit card. Activate your physical credit card now, scan the QR code, blah, blah, blah. Directions on how to activate it, and then says here, otherwise, your credit card will be automatically activated within 10 banking days. So, yun, I need to use this card. I have no choice because some credit cards, if you don't activate it, of course, you won't use it, right? Although, okay lang din, at least I have an EastWest credit card because EastWest gives, if not the lowest, foreign currency conversion fees of just 1.70%. Wow. So I did some research on the Everyday Titanium credit card, and its main perk is that it gives rebates. This is the pamphlet that it came with, your all-in-one cash rebate card. Basically, it gives you cash rebates on your essential purchases such as groceries, gas, or medicines from the non-essential purchases. If you make a non-essential purchase worth 10,000 pesos and above, for your essential purchases, you get 5%. Kapag 5,000 to below 10,000 pesos naman, yung worth of non-essential purchases mo, you get 3%. And then, pag below 5,000 naman, 0.5% rebate naman. Ang non-essential purchases are those that are not groceries, gas, or medicines. For example, if you make non-essential purchases worth 10,000 and above, and then you buy in a supermarket, which is an essential purchase, for example, worth 5,500 pesos, you get a cash rebate of 275 pesos because that's 5% of your total essential purchase. And then, if bumili ka naman, for example, sa drugstore ng worth 1,750 pesos, ang cash rebate mo will be 87 pesos. hindi sinama yung decimal because the amount will be rounded down to the nearest whole number. And then, kunyari nagpagas ka worth 1,499 pesos, ang cash rebate mo will be 74 pesos. And then, nagpagas ka ulit after 2 weeks ng 999 pesos, your cash rebate from that purchase will be 49 pesos. So, in total, ang mag-reflect sa bill nyo na cash rebates earned for the month is 485 pesos. Ang kagandahan dito is that automatically, nade-deduct na siya dun sa credit card bill nyo. As long as worth at least 200 pesos, yung rebates nyo, ma-auto-deduct na siya. So, this credit card is good for everyday use because its perks focus mainly on the essentials that we purchase. For the annual membership fee naman, it is 2,800 pesos and waived on the first year. Interest charge is 3% per month or 36% per year. Regarding the credit card statement, we can access it through the EastWest mobile app or EastWest Online. On the next video, I'm going to show you kung paano mag-register and activate our credit card. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you. Bye! So, kunin natin yung to remove that. Sticky. Ay. Kailangan ng alcohol.